guess what?
What?
We made 100 subscribers.
You are kidding me.
Nope. So now we're giving away this Buffalo Trace store pick. All you have to do to win this bottle, like, subscribe, and comment Buffalo.
Please, down below in the comments, if you want to win this Buffalo Trace store pick, guess what? You get the whole bottle, not a sample. Comment Buffalo.
Now, you do have to live within the continental U.S. so that we can get it to you.
Yeah, for our international family, we apologize. If we're able to make it over the pond, we will make it up later. But for those in the continental U.S.,
like, subscribe, and comment Buffalo.
yeah.
And we're going to run this until Saturday, 5 p.m. At 5 p.m., we're going to shut it down. That way I have time to get all the names of everybody who wants this bottle.
And by 7 p.m., we're going to run.
I don't know if it'll be a duck race or if it'll be the spinning wheel. It'll be one of them.
We're going to do a duck race.
Okay. We'll do a duck race because I can't find a buffalo. I could find a horsey, but I could not find a buffalo.
We tried. I apologize. But this is just the first of several milestone giveaways that we are going to be doing. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and you know what? Share with your friends, because when we hit the next milestone, an even better bottle is going to be available.
Absolutely. So we're looking forward to growing with all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to us and supporting us.
For those of you that have subscribed, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you that haven't, please subscribe and join our family, because we have so many great things coming in the very near future.
Yes, we do. And then, of course, give us your comments on anything that you would like to see on our other videos. This video, let's just keep it to all of you who are interested in this bottle share.
Yes.
But you can comment on any of our other videos, because we are always asking, what would you like to see? Because we do have more than just bourbon. If you're interested in seeing other pour decisions and what we would pair them with, ask us. We would gladly share.
Another thing we've been kind of kicking around, and we talked with the store manager at our local store. Have you guys ever been to a cigar emporium? Have you ever wondered what the etiquette is for that? If that is something you would be interested in to make new friends in whiskey and in cigar, drop a comment down below, because they are very interested in bringing that to everybody's attention, and it would be something very knowledgeable for everybody.
Yeah, we have a great cigar home, and we have a lot of friends there as well. Where we go, we share, we bring bottles, and we just share. Whatever bottle we bring, we leave, and anybody who comes and goes gets to enjoy that bottle.
And if you're in the local area, reach out. We'll let you know where. Come join us.
Absolutely. We have a great time there.
Yeah, we do. Because we have a wonderful group of cigar and whiskey friends there, and they are very generous.
Yes, they are. Again, thank you to all of our friends.
We love all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing
and supporting us.
We cannot thank you enough for the support and the love that you've shown us. And we are going to pay it forward, starting with this.
That's right. Until next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.